Right guys, keep popping. There.
Welcome back to episode 4 of our 7-part series on how to surf like a legend. And for those of you that have yet to check out our previous episodes, put this video on pause, jump on the previous episodes and catch up so you know what we're all about. Link is down in the description below. On today's episode, our surf instructors are about to dive into teaching you how to improve on your pop-up technique in the water. But before we jump in, remember to tune in, like, and subscribe to follow along so you won't miss a single episode as we provide you with insights to help you learn the tips and tricks of surfing in our local Tamarindo waters. And that way, you'll want to come back every year for more. But enough said, let's transfer you guys over to our pristine beaches where Warwick and FIFO awaits you.
Welcome back. Pause and FIFA from Iguana. Today we're going to teach you how to pop up.
Right on.
An effective pop-up can be broken up into 3 steps. The goal is to get these steps as seamless as possible without any pauses between them. Step 1 is to push up off the board in somewhat of a plank position. Once you have created enough space between you and the board with your push-up, you can now execute step 2 where you place your back foot down first. The final piece to an effective pop-up is your position on the board once standing. The ideal standing position on the board after your pop-up is to center your weight in the middle of the board, feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent and facing the direction you intend to go. Too far forward and the board will nosedive, too far back and you will stall the board and the wave will pass you. A correct pop-up is arguably the most important part to catching more waves. Popping up too early means there will not be enough power in the wave to be able to push you forward. As you progress along your surfing journey, your pop-up will begin to improve. The aim is to get to the point where your pop-up is smooth, fast, and both feet land on the board at the same time. You can practice your pop-up in the water while surfing or at home on land.
We hope you learned something about popping up. Keep practicing. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Hope you stay with Iguana.